Good morning, everyone. It's me, Leigh, with Victorian Dreams by Leigh, and I wanted to show you this video project share of Christmas cards that I made for my mom. So yeah, here we are. They're in the bag with a dryer sheet this time. So I wanted to show you, this is the box that she has for sale on her site and HSN, annagriffin.com. This is the Christmas box, and I'll show you how much is in it and left over after I show you my cards. I didn't even use dies, and I have a lot. It comes with envelopes, so I'm going to leave the envelopes in the bag. But I wanted to show you my cards I made. Look how beautiful. It's very three-dimensional. It's got 1, 2, 3. This one is so easy, and it's already got a sentiment inside. And then I never sign my name because I don't want my name to take away from something. And if she wants to sign it, or she wants to sign my name, or whoever gets my cards wants to reuse it, my name is not important. But anyway, so look how beautiful that is. That says, wishing you a Merry Christmas. Look at the deer on this one. And the holly matches the holly on the card that I put on. I put a sentiment on top of the card topper and put the deer here. And it says Season's Greetings. And then this one is got pink and red. And who thought pink and red would go together? Yet here it is. It's so pretty. And it says Merry and Bright. Here is another one. Look at all that gold. Ooh. And this one says Happy Holidays. And this has got one of the square cards and then the card topper. I made it so simple and easy with a lot of these card toppers this year. I did hand make some. They're coming up. This one says Christmas Wishes. Isn't that just beautiful? This one I created myself. It says Season's Greetings. Everything you see, I didn't even use any dies, but everything you see is in the box. So there's a layer, then there's this card layer, then there is leaves layer, then there is flower layers, and that's, you know, on top of each other. Then there's the cash pot, I think, a pot. So this one, oh, it is divine. Look how pretty that is. It's got the card, then this layer, then the sentiment word layer, and then on top I mirrored the image down below, and then I added another card, another embellishment here. That one's really pretty. This one is similar to that one. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 layers. My mom doesn't like them really thick. Anyone that makes cards has to put an extra stamp on it. And here is my last one. That kind of froze up, so I hope this is working. Here's my last card, and it is so pretty. So there is my project share of the cards. So let's see if this will still, it is still working. So let's move these out of the way and I'll show you what's in the box, because I don't think it's too late. I think you can still buy this. So you could give this just as a gift. The page of all the different ideas, I didn't use it because I've been using her stuff for so long. I've already made, what was that, 10 cards? Look how much is still left over. This is 48 cards. See, here's the little cards. Here's the sentiments. Here are just a lot of extra embellishments, the pop dots. Here's more ephemera embellishments. Here's the card toppers. Here is the one that I really love. See how I used this, then layered it, and then layered it with a sentiment. Here is bows. Here is the big sentiments. Here is the more for the card. I can't remember the name. It has a false floor that I'm going to cut up and divide and make it a hold stuff. Here's all the cards. Here's the envelope. So you cannot go wrong by buying these kits. If you're brand new to Anna Griffin, I would say buy this. You don't have to use your dies, which I normally do, but I just wanted to put something together really fast for my mom. And you know what? If you don't need 48, guess what? You have some for the next year, or you wait a year, and then when you open it again in a year or so, it is new again to you. So I hope you like these cards. All my links are down below. Have a blessed day.